Hello guys, my name is JB Dan and today I will show you how to test your HTML code. So as you can see here, what I meant was here, let me demonstrate it to you. Let's just say that you have some snippet of HTML code that you want to test. Here, let me bring up to you. As you can see here, this is the example code right here. Now as you can see here, normally when you want to test a line of code like this, you need to save the HTML file and run this. Here, let me show it on Explorer. And as you can see here, it works. But what if you don't want to do that? What if you just want to test the file without creating your HTML file? Now luckily for you, here I have the solution. Now as you can see here, use any browser you like except Internet Explorer. Oh god, please don't use any outdated browser like Internet Explorer, or even worse, Netscape Navigator. Nobody uses that crap. Now as you can see here, I'm using Edge Chromium, but it doesn't matter what browser you use. Every browser is guaranteed to work with this trick. Now as you can see here, type data column text slash HTML and a comma. This is it. Now if it's still not clear to you, here I'll type it. As you can see here, I'm pretty sure you can all read the text. Now as you can see here, let me get rid of this. Now here it is, our own code. As you can see here, it says hello world. Now you are not limited to just this kinds of snippet. You can basically add anything you ever wanted. For example, I want to add a paragraph. Here I use the P tag. Oh. Here, let's demonstrate it, shall we? Now as you can see here, it is full of description. You can also add horizontal ruling, a break, each one. You can add multiple lines of HTML code. You can basically create your own HTML page right on your browser without need to create your own HTML file. But I will not recommend this because it's extremely hard. It is best for you to just straight up create your own file rather than making yourself really hard to create your HTML file. Something that it is very simple to do. Another great thing about this is that you are not just restricted to HTML code snippet. You are also not restricted to basically virtually everything, and that includes embedded code. Here I have an example. This is Muda Harsh's video.
Fucking any of these softwares could send it.
Now as you can see here, let's just say I want to start this video at here.
Step. Can we
copy that and we get rid of the code again? In order to change the output, you just get rid of the code. Now as you can see here, voila, we have an embedded YouTube video. If you want to have a multiple embedded, then here I will show you I want to embed a picture from my OneDrive. So yeah, OneDrive is the only image storage out there that let you store images, unlike Google Photo. Here I will take this picture instead. Generate. Let's copy this and delete. Okay. We have a situation here. Oh, don't forget to add a BR tag. It just doesn't work. It really depends though. Some embedded code literally interfere with one and another. So you have to get rid of this right here, this line of code. In order for never mind. Yeah. Okay, so that is it for now, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.